Have you ever wanted to get feedback directly from your customers inside the Business Catalyst admin? Well, this video will show you exactly how to do that. To accomplish this, I'm going to use Fluid Surveys, but you can use a variety of other tools if you'd like, or even Business Catalyst to create your own forms. You will also need the Solid Admin Menu app by Solid Sky. Let me show you how this is done. First thing we're going to do is create our survey. Inside Fluid Surveys, I'm going to pick one that's already coming from a template, so customer satisfaction. So I'm going to check that, and I'm going to say customer satisfaction survey. And this just gives me an overview of the type of things that are going to be on each of the pages, and I'm just going to use the out-of-the-box stuff, and I'm going to call this customer satisfaction survey demo. And company name, I'll have it automatically insert Solid Sky Tech, and we're going to hit create survey. Now I could go through and edit the survey questions and all of that kind of good stuff. At this point I'm not going to do any of that. We're going to switch over to style, and here we can see a variety of different themes. A lot of these top four are out of the box. This plain one is the one that I've created, which basically brings it down to the bare minimum so that we can embed this into Adobe Business Catalyst. I'll select plain and hit save. Over on the left, I'm now going to hit deploy, and I'm going to get a survey link. And if you have an upgraded account, you can switch this over to SSL to get the HTTPS, which I recommend for maximum compatibility within the Business Catalyst admin console. But in this case, I'm going to just grab the URL as it is and come back to my app. And here I'm going to add a new menu item, and I'm going to call this feedback. In the URL, I'm going to paste, and then I'm going to select a position, and I'll say I want it on the left-hand side, and I'll click add to list. Now I can see the item down below. I don't want this to be the first item here because that will default when people log in, but maybe let's put it down at the end, and I want to change out this icon to be something a little bit more appropriate, like maybe this one. And I'll hit save, and I need to refresh. And on the left, I'll see a feedback link, and I can click on it, and look at this. The survey is embedded into Business Catalyst. The nice thing about the Fluid Surveys as well is that the survey itself is responsive, so this will look good as I scale the screen up and down. But you can see I can completely have full capability here to progress through this survey, which is really nice. And for the sake of the demo, maybe I'll say we're very satisfied with everything, and click next, and even the validation. Okay. And we'll fill out a few more of these steps. And we can see the styling here looks really great, just kind of out of the box. And then here we go. We are done with the survey, and we have done that right within Business Catalyst. And really with a few clicks, we were able to install that inside of the admin. Of course, you can take more time to customize the look and the questions and all that kind of stuff to get it to work exactly how you want. But hopefully this serves as a great demonstration of how to embed feedback forms into Business Catalyst.